I'm gonna get straight to the point of this video. Today we're gonna be doing the MyHeritage DNA test. I've never really done one of these before. I'm not really sure how it works, but let's just get started. All right, so first things first is the box. I actually really like the colors, I like the design, but I know it doesn't matter all that much, so we're gonna talk about what's inside the box. The first thing you'll see is the DNA Kit activation reminder card, followed by the envelope. I'm sure this is to send our samples back to them, and this is where things start getting a little fun. We've got vials, we've got cotton swabs, we've got biohazard bags, and I'm getting a little nervous to do this. All right, so it's actually time to do this thing now. I got the whole testing materials right here. I'm actually really excited to do this. I didn't think I would be this excited, but I got the instruction manual, and then we're gonna read through it and do this whole thing in one take. All right, so we'll activate the kit online. All right, done. Remove one cheek swab from the wrapper and use the swab head to scrape the inside of one of your cheeks while rotating the swab for 30 to 60 seconds. We got the swabs right here, and we'll go ahead and do this thing right now. Open one vial and insert the swab inside, swab end down. Once the swab touches the bottom of the vial, break the swab against the edge of the vial at the marked black line, leaving the swab inside of the vial. Okay, that's, I don't know how that really is gonna work, but we'll try to do this. There we go. It was pretty easy. So it looks like it's pretty much the same process with the other cheek. All right, so we're finally done with this one. We're gonna put it in the vial. Here we go. So we have both vials here. It says to put this in the cotton pad. I guess it's this one. All right, so I just finished up with the vials and I put it in the biohazard bag like it told me to do. Now I'm supposed to put this bag in the envelope and send it over to the MyHeritage labs. I'm gonna do that as soon as possible. Hopefully I'll get a response pretty soon. I'm actually really excited to see what type of response I get, what the results are. I don't know how long it'll take, but I'll film the rest of the video then. All right, so I actually just got the notification and this is what it takes you to. So we're gonna experience this together. I could see this one coming. Definitely. I didn't think it was gonna be that high though. I thought this was gonna be at about the same level or even higher than the other one. And I definitely wasn't expecting that. 5.1% Nigerian. That's crazy. It's like it singles into a single country. 4.6 North African. That is so cool. It's almost 10% African. I had no idea. I like how it plays the music too, but this is actually so cool. This is one of those things that you see other people do and then you're kind of like, oh, that's kind of cool. But then you do it and it's really cool. I mean, this is awesome. I don't even know what to say. And then I guess it shows you kind of more specific data. That is so cool. So yeah, all, Central, South America, and some Europe, and some African. And DNA matches. I guess it shows you other people who've used the service that match with your DNA. That's my uncle. And I don't know these other people, but we share DNA. It could be my third or fourth cousin. And it shows that you can contact them. All right, so I know it's super messy in here. Don't worry about it. It's for good reason. You guys are gonna find out soon. But I just want to talk to you guys a little bit about why I even took this test and what my thoughts on it were. So in all honesty, I kind of just took this test because I got it as a gift. My uncle gave it to me for my birthday, and it actually ended up being an amazing gift because it is one of those things that, again, when you see someone else do it, you don't really care about it too much. But when you see your own results and you see it on paper, statistically, like where you're from, it's a really powerful thing. Like, I can't even put it in words, obviously, because I'm acting all crazy right now, but it really was like a touching sort of like an internal thing. I don't even know how to explain it. But it's awesome, and I feel like more people in the world should look for these things and more people should do it because it kind of makes you realize that, especially in the world that we live in today, that we're all mutts. We're pretty much all from all over the place. And you can be born in America, you can be American, Colombian, Chinese, Russian, Indian, whatever you are. It's really likely that you have roots somewhere else in the world too. And it's really, really important and cool to see that. You know, I don't want to get political about it, but it just makes you realize that, you know, there's a lot more to you than you even think yourself. So thanks for watching the video. Can't wait to see you guys next week. And just subscribe for me, because I don't even post about these anymore. I just upload.